Brats, Adicop recently sent us that Halo head strap, if you remember, the one that had the hard plastic top over it instead of a strap. They also just sent us this Capsule Power Bank 2.0. This is advertised as emergency power, but it's 5,000 milliamps of emergency power. Let's open it up. So you may remember seeing something very similar on the channel to this. Destek sent us one from them, and we were not fans for several reasons. It's a pretty simple look here. It kind of looks like a little Duracell battery hanging off the side of your headset. It has a USB-C port that's going to plug in and give you that emergency power. This one is a little more updated. It's got a USB-C to plug it in, but our big problem with the last one was the way that you would do this was you would put it in here, and then that would give you that emergency power, but it blocked your headphone port. It blocked you from charging this battery while you were at it. Now they've added this little adapter to fix that. The original one was from Destek. You can get these from all kinds of different retailers on Amazon. So now their solution, their not so elegant solution, you put this adapter on here and then you plug it in there. But as you can see, with a Halo strap, you've got a problem. So you could, oh God. You could hang it off there like that. You're adding a decent amount of risk in my mind. I'm playing some Beat Saber and my hands are moving around. I mean, if I were to hit this really good at this angle, I could break the USB-C port inside. That's not great. Depending on what kind of Halo strap or what head strap you have, it definitely could be an issue. Maybe if I move this way back, oh goodness, way back. Yeah. Here's my problem now. No matter what kind of head strap you have, it's either gonna snap on here, it's gonna slide on here. There's some way that it's gonna add some surface area to this. Even with nothing on there, this is still right now putting pressure on here and in turn putting pressure on the USB-C port. If I wanted it to stop, that last little bit I'm pushing, that's all creating pressure now on here. And like I'm saying, whether you're using a Halo strap, you're using an Elite strap, see, now that's adding more width to this. And so even with that, now I'm adding quite a bit of pressure to push that in there. I've got to say, I appreciate the effort. A for effort, D for actual results. This is not enough of a fix to fix this. I like the idea of having this. It's 28 bucks on Amazon. Just in case I got some friends over, we're all playing Demio and one of them's headset starts to die, I can say, okay, shove this in the side real quick, and this will get us through that last boss battle. It'll help us survive that. It's nice having some of these around. Is it $28 nice? No. Have some charging cables, have some actual battery banks, have head straps that have batteries built onto them that you can just use to keep them charged. I still can't recommend this. I want to say you did better, you tried, and you made it a little nicer, and I'm talking to all the companies that are making these, because even though the previous one was from Destek, I'm sure all these are coming from the same manufacturers anyways. So thanks. Thanks for trying. There won't be a link in the description yet again, but you're getting closer. I think this whole design of this huge battery hanging off just the USB-C port is just a little too risky. I would say try something different with the project. But for all of you out there who came out to see this accessory, see what we thought of it, I want to say thank you for coming and spending some time here with us today. Hopefully you found the video informative and helpful, and I will see you in another reality. I thought that was gonna work. The head strap was like, it's not gonna work.